We are here to have Sunday supper with Chef Pat Pascarella. Yes?
All right. 1, 2, 3.
So Italians take food very serious. Like if you ever speak to an Italian in Italy about food, their passion just like spews out of their body. They just love everything food. So Sunday sauce is one of those things that like every single Italian mom takes pride in, right? Everybody makes the best meatball, everybody makes the best sauce. Mine's very simple and I have no problem giving you guys the recipe. It's literally onions, garlic, chili flake, tomato. That's it.
Well, we're also going to go on a little tour of Italy tonight. And so one of the things that I love about Italy is that not only is the food super regional, because Chef has studied lots of different styles of Italian food, and you know that his restaurants are varied in terms of what type of focus it is for the cuisine, but it's really similar with wine, and it's so regional focused. So as a total wine geek, and I've been studying wine for like 15 years, Italy still fascinates me. There are 20 wine regions in Italy and over 500 native grape varieties. The best part to me about like the food and wine combo is that it kind of makes them both better. It's a magical combination, and that's what we're trying to create for you tonight.